Hey if you're currently watching this video. So today I'm going to be doing this yellow, green, and blue eyeshadow look using inexpensive products. So for the eyeshadow, I will be using, once again, my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I know I use this thing a lot, but I really like the colors in it, and I think there's a lot of variety, so I figured let's use it again. But for the eyeshadow, I will be using this blue right here with a little bit of these two greens, and then this darker blue right here, and then just a little bit of the white to kind of highlight my eye. So I've already primed my eye using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and as always I'm just going to take my LA Color Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in Seashell, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of this light blue here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. A flat little angle brush, I'm going to take a little bit of this darker blue right here, and I'm going to start etching out the little wing. Using a flat brush, I'm going to take some of this yellow right here, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my lid. To take some of this green right here, which you can see I kind of use it a lot. I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. It's the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I don't want them to touch. There's a little bit of space in between the line from the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, so I'm just going to take off the little piece of tape and I'm going to attempt to freehand it, so you know how that goes. Nope. Back to the drawing board. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that tape right back on because I can't do it freehand. It's just not working out. So let's see if this makes it any better. I don't think that's gonna work either. Oh my god. No. All right. Just take it off. See what happens. Whatever. It'll do. It'll do. That little flat angle brush, I'm going to take some of the white and I'm going to put it on the little space in between just to make it stand out a little bit more. The eyeliner, I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild charcoal eyeliner. And the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black for mascara. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to keep it pretty nude, so I'm just going to use this Essence brand lipstick. This one is 05 Cool Nude. I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright, so here we go. This is the final product. I will put some pictures at the end so you can see what it looks like, but yeah, I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye!